Hi everybody, this is Melissa from the library, here to show you a really fun craft this week that I thought was adorable, and it's this super cute monster pal, as I like to call him. He's super cute. He kind of reminds me of Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc., but I just thought it would be a kind of fun little thing to do as a lead up for Halloween. What I also included in this kit, because this craft is a kit here at the library that you can pick up. I'm going to include a magnet too, so you can put it on it and put it on something, or put it on your refrigerator, or put it on whatever you have at home that's magnetic. But yeah, I thought they're just so super cute and adorable. Here's another one that I did with some really cute jewels that I thought was fun. You can add them if you want, and you don't have to add them if you don't like. But I just thought this was a kind of like a super cute little craft to do, like I said, as a lead up for Halloween. So let's get started with our cute little monster pal. So I'm going to take a different approach to how I usually do my craft videos. But in our little kit that you can pick up at the library, it also includes this super cute, this really nice handy dandy instructions. You're going to have in your kit basically some pieces in your kit. One of the pieces is going to be this little mouth. The other one is this half circle kind of thing for the eye. The other half is this piece of the back piece, or the back piece that holds it together, as well as this little piece and this piece as well. So you should have like a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh yeah, and I forgot 6, because you're gonna have the middle of the eye as well. So it's 6. And then in every kit, you're gonna get these really fun jewel-like things. So that you can include on it or not, whatever you'd like. And then another thing you're gonna get on it, and I think I lost it. Let's see. Oh, is the magnet that you can put on your monster pal so it can stick. I think I lost it, you guys. I think I lost the eye. Oh no, here it is. Silly me. Here's the eye. So technically you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 pieces in all, including your magnet and your jewels, if you so inclined to include them. Like I said, I think I lost the magnet, you guys, so I might need to take apart the kit to put it on there. So yeah, so what we're going to do first is, the first layer of our monster pal is to grab the white piece of it. So this is the white piece. This is going to be the bottom piece of it. The second step is that we're going to grab the light pink, the lighter purple piece that's in your kit. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to kind of align it with the rest of the monster pal. So it should look something like this. I found the easier way to do this is by kind of aligning or putting together to make sure that they are even in some fashion is the legs and the arms, because if those are not even, it looks kind of funky dunky, doesn't it? So it should look something like this. I would highly recommend putting it on top so you know how it kind of looks before you put on the glue. So then you're definitely gonna need glue for this. I wanna say that's pretty much the only thing you're gonna need. Glue and a marker of some sort. So it's a marker, a black marker, whatever actually color works, or a pencil or a crayon. So what we're gonna do to make sure that it's secured is we're going to open our handy dandy glue stick, and we're gonna go ahead and put some glue onto this lighter piece. So I'm just gonna glue, and glue some more, making sure I put some glue on the hands and on the feet, making sure that it sticks. So this should look something like that. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab that white piece I told you guys about, and we're going to go ahead and glue it on. So it should look something like that. Once you glue it on, it should look something like that. And then you want to make sure, it doesn't have to be perfect. Obviously, as you can tell, my feet is not perfect, but it's okay. And then just kind of glue it on and making sure that it's nice and secure. So then the next step we're gonna do is, this is kind of like the easy part, it doesn't matter how you want to do it, is that we're going to grab the darker purple piece, so like the other pre-cut place, other one, and we're gonna grab our glue again, and we're gonna go ahead and put glue all over that one too. on the back of the piece. And you're gonna be like, Melisa, they look exactly the same. How do I know which one is the side? The one that I'm gonna glue on. And what I'm gonna tell you is that you can glue on any side because they actually look all the same. It'll work out either way. So wait until you're done putting glue onto this one, you're gonna glue it on top of this purple one. The key to this one is that you wanna make sure that the mouth opening kind of is corresponding to the other part, the other mouth, or the little mouth right here, so you kind of have to match it up a little bit. So then once that is nice and secure and it's nice and fastened, what you're gonna do next is you're gonna grab your mouth, so this like jack-o'-lantern looking like thing. This is like the other piece where it's, you can't really tell what is the right side, so either way it works. You're gonna go ahead and grab your glue and you're gonna put some glue on one side of the mouth. So then, put some glue on it. And what I'm gonna wanna do is I'm gonna grab this piece that I just made and we're going to align it onward as such. And we're just gonna glue that on to that empty spot. I have to press it down, you guys. So then there we are. So it should look something like that. So then the next step we're gonna do is actually we're gonna grab that moon shaped looking like thing, kind of looks like a little taco. And we're gonna go ahead and put that on this part of it. So it kind of looks like that. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab our glue stick. We're gonna go ahead and put some glue on that. And then just glue it on there like such. Gonna give it a good press, and then it should look something like this. The next step is that we're gonna grab the little black pupil of it. So this black looking like circle thing, kind of looks like a little moon. We're gonna go ahead and put glue on one side of it. So we're gonna put glue on that side of it. And then there we go. We're going to put our little moon right here. So there it goes. Bloop. So as you can tell, our little guy is taking shape. So then the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our writing utensil. So in my case, I have this handy dandy marker, and I'm gonna go ahead and color in the ears. You can either color them in, put stripes on them, whatever you would like creatively, aesthetically for your piece. And then we're just gonna kind of do that. I'm just gonna do some. Obviously, I recommend doing this at a table. It's probably easier, but just all intents and purposes of showing you guys how to do this. Just gonna do that. And then the other step we're gonna do is we're actually going to add some lines to our feet, and I mean our hands, our arms, and our feet. I just really call these feet. So we're gonna, or you can add whatever design you'd like. Kind of looks like that. Kind of looks like little stripes right there. And we're gonna repeat that. It doesn't have to be even or perfect. And then we're just gonna add the same on this side too. And then we're gonna do that to the feet too. You're probably thinking, do I have to do this? Is this step important to the instructional integrity of my monster pal? No, it is not. So if you don't want to add this extra feature on these extra designs on there, you don't have to. And oh, bananas. Okay. Right, so there you are. Some lines on our monster pal. Kind of think of them like socks for your arms and his feet. Okay, so the next to final step is that if you want to add some jewels on them, the ones that I gave you in your kit, what you're going to want to do, since these are not self-adhesing, you have to use your glue stick, and you're going to put some glue on the back of your jewel. So you're just going to put some glue on there. I would recommend a lot of glue because it's not going to stick. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm going to plop it on to my guy, and I'm just going to plop it there. And you don't have to worry with this like school glue because it dries clear, so it'll go away. I like the extra residue. So there you can see I added a jewel. So you can add as many jewels as you'd like. I think I put a bunch of them in your kit, so you're good. So that's the end of our handy dandy glue stick. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put on that magnet. So if you wanna put your Monster Pal on something, or you wanna glue him onto something, you would then definitely do that. And the way of putting your magnet is that it looks kind of like a little triangle. You want to do is on one side of the magnet, there's going to be like this little white piece. And what you want to do is you want to tear that piece off. And then you're going to grab your Monster Pal. You're going to turn him around. And then you're going to take this off, and that should be sticky. And you're going to put that sticky part onto your Monster Pal wherever it is. And then that's it. So that is the final and last step of our cute little Monster Pal, and I hope you like them. As you can tell, I have a collection of them, of these fun pals. I think I'm gonna take them home and put them on my refrigerator as my only Halloween decoration. But I hope you really like this craft. Let me know what other things you guys want to see me do with you guys as far as crafts go. And then obviously pick up your cute little kit, because sometimes like these little templates, they're really hard to draw on your own. So we need to make them for you, and I'd be happy to anytime. So yes, I'll see you then, and I hope you enjoyed it.